Welcome to this section on JUnit in 5 steps. In this section, we introduce you to unit testing. If you are already familiar with JUnit, then you can safely skip this section. But if you are not, then we recommend you to complete this section and understand the important concepts of JUnit. This is a very short section, should not take more than 30 minutes. And the time you would spend here will definitely save you a lot of time when we are talking about JPA and writing unit tests for it. The home folder for this particular section is on a GitHub repository JPA with Hibernate. You need to go into 00 framework tool introductions and you have 03 JUnit introduction in 5 steps. Over here you have a small description of all the 5 steps and the complete code example as it is at the end of this section. Also present are a couple of intermediate backups. I will see you in the first step.